Okay, so the requirement is to enter an address and pull back the information about that address. So the one in the spreadsheet is actually this particular address here. We'll paste it in, we'll do a search, and it comes back with this particular parcel right here. So I can extract this information from here and pass that information back and be able to compare it. So I've built a, if I click on the next page here, you'll see here's some more information relevant about the particular property in question. So what I've done is I've built a robot and I've created a caplet that will do that lookup. And let me clear all this out. And we'll paste that address in here. And we'll do start caplet, and then you'll see it'll take off and run. And we'll give it a minute or so here. And by the time it comes back, it'll show where I've extracted all the data from this particular pop-up here. And then I am going to click on this, open up this second file, and collect a little more information from here. And then I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to take this embedded photo as well and bring that back to them. So there we go. It should be done. And then here we see all the information that's relevant to it. And here's the photo. So they don't just think it's smoke and mirrors. Let's just do this. Let me close this out. And we will refresh this. And I'm just going to pick somewhere in here. I'm just going to click down in here. Get down in here. Let's go to Mercer Island. Let's see how much it costs to live in Mercer Island. And let's just pick this lot right here. And it's $1 million to live there. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste it in here. And we're going to start that caplet off. So let's look and see what that property looks like. And here we're going to see that property. So that's $1 million house in Mercer. Go back to the caplet. It should be finished running here in a second. And let's look at the results. So here we go. We have all the information. And there you go. We've got the same photo. So let's just say that we don't get a hit. We put an address in, and I'm just going to use my address because I'm not living there. And start the caplet. And it should come back and say, nope, this record does not exist and will not be able to process. So just like you got a message back here, it says record found for the following address. It should have the there was no records found for the following address and puts it in there. So that's in a nutshell that first use case where they want to be able to look up these parcels in Kings County. So if you think of anything else that may need to add, let me know.